Leo from Parakeet Budgie House, and I'm going to be talking today on the Budgie sex based on what I see daily. Okay. Male usually introduces food into the female. You can see there, right side, he's the male, she's on the left side. Over here, he's outside, he's feeding her, she's on the inside. Over here, right side male, and then introducing food into the female. Telling the female he's gonna be a good daddy, he's gonna feed her young. Notice how the male is buckling his head up and down. The one on the outer edge, which is the one trying to enter the boxes. The female do try different boxes before she picks the one she likes. It's normal. Over here, blue seal, he's a male on the left side. Crusty seal on the right side, she's a female mating season. Light white over here, female on the left, and the blue seal is on the right. Crusty seal, female mating season. As you can see there, she's on the mating season. Seal is crusty. We have a Lutino, based on the description, with red eye, and then albino female. And the Lutino was also female. And he's an albino male right there with black eye. And for those thinking on clipping the bird wings, you usually count 6 layers of wings. And you can either way, you can start from inside, outside, or outside, inside. Over here I count from the outside to the inside, 6 layers. And then you're gonna go deep, an inch deep into the wings and cut it 1 inch. Something in there, be careful. I would cut no more than 6. And on the other side, count 6. Be careful. You want to hurt the bird. Usually, if you're doing it right, you're gonna see no bleeding, none of that. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go 1 inch deep. There you have it. Alright, give me a like if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.